In the next 2 minutes, we're going to give viewers 5 strategies to enhance employee engagement through sustainability initiatives. In today's rapidly changing workforce, sustainability is more than just a trend. It's a powerful way to engage employees and drive purpose in your organization. A recent study found that 92% of employees felt motivated by their company's social mission. So, what does that mean for your business? It means that focusing on sustainability doesn't just help the planet. It boosts employee engagement, drives retention, and helps organizations stay competitive by aligning with the values of today's workforce. There are 5 strategies to infuse climate work into an organization while enhancing engagement. First, cultivating champions. Identify enthusiastic employees to build a cross-functional coalition of climate advisors throughout the organization. Next, embedding climate work into objectives and key results, or OKRs. Avoid the misconception that climate work is standalone, and incorporate climate goals into every business area's OKRs. Third, incorporating climate work into recognition programs. This reinforces desired climate-conscious behaviors and may be implemented in talent evaluations, incentives, or promotions. Fourth, empowering emerging leaders. This provides an opportunity to invest in high-potential individuals and empower them to own key sustainability priorities within the organization. Finally, establishing a grassroots community of practice. This may also be called a guild and is intended to create a group of like-minded individuals who are empowered to participate in sustainability work. Want to learn more about how your company can harness the power of sustainability to boost employee engagement? Read the full article, which is linked in the description below.
This video was made using an AI avatar of Nathan Nelson, U.S. Managing Director and Partner at Adaptovate. To learn more about Adaptovate's AI capabilities, visit our website. Thanks for watching!